Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of configuring your Wi-Fi router again and again? And now you want that whenever you reset the router, all the settings should be reconfigured automatically. So today I will tell you how you can take a backup of your router and restore it. So without wasting any time, let's move towards the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. So first I will access the router. For that, I will open the browser and type the gateway address. And if you don't know how to access the router or don't know the gateway address, then in the description you will find the link to my previous video in which I have explained in detail. So after login, if I show you my Wi-Fi settings, you can see that both of my SSIDs, meaning 2.4 and 5 GHz, are already configured, meaning the SSID name and password. And not only this, but besides this, my other settings, like I have also configured the SSID access control mode so that any unwanted person cannot even connect to the Wi-Fi. And about this, I will tell and explain in detail in my next video. So I want to take a backup of all these settings so that in the future, if I ever have to reset the router, I won't have to reconfigure all these settings again. I will just restore the backup and everything will be configured as it is. So for backup, I will go to the Management and Diagnosis tab, and from here, open the User Configuration Management tab from System Management. Here we will get the option of Backup Configuration. I will click on it and download the backup file. You will see this file in .bin format. So now I will reset my router, as I told in the previous video, so that I can show you by restoring this backup file and also tell you the method. After resetting the router, I will get the Wi-Fi with the name ZTE. I will connect to it, and I will get the password on the back side of my router. After connecting, I will access the router again, and this time if I apply the saved password, it will give a wrong password error because after reset, the router has gone back to the default password. So I will use the password given on the back side of the router and log in. And here you can see that only one of my devices is connected. The WAN settings have also been deleted. That's why my internet is also not working. And all the Wi-Fi settings that I had done have also been reset. So to reconfigure all the settings will take time and effort, and if I just restore the backup, then all the settings will automatically be reconfigured again in the same way. So now I will open the User Configuration Management tab from the Management and Diagnosis section, and from here, expand the Restore tab below Backup, and browse and select the backed up config.bin file and restore it. The router will scan the file, and after restoring, it will restart. And as soon as the router turns on again, you can see that this time the Wi-Fi will appear with my old name, meaning Technichio, and its password will also be the same as before. So the system will automatically detect it and connect to it. And if I access the router now, then the router password that I had set will work again, and all my devices have now automatically reconnected, and my WAN and LAN settings have also returned to how they were before, and my internet is also working properly now. So in this way, you can take a backup of your router so that in the future you don't have to configure the router again. And just by restoring the backup, all the settings will come back. In the next video, I will tell you all the method of applying a MAC filter so that only the person you want can use the internet. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.